and they are ready to end the terrorists. Now, who are the terrorists in Nigeria? Which group, which people that Nigeria government call terrorists?
Ekpa is one of them.
Ekpa is one of them. Nnamdi Kanu, Nnamdi Kanu, indigenous people of Biafra, agitators of Biafra. These are the only terrorists Nigeria know. Which means very soon they will crush them. Very soon they will end them up. Very soon they will disappear on the surface of the earth. That's the only terrorists they know. Now you have
president declared them terrorists.
But this present government still hold them as terrorists. If not so, this present government could not have petitioned Finland that Simon Ekpa is a terrorist. They could not have been holding Nnamdi Kanu hostage up to now. Now you have structure to probe Nigerian military. Then United Nations, I mean ICC, should not intervene in Nigerian army to look into their activities. But Finland and ICC have right to look into Simon Ekpa own. They have right to detain him, to arrest him. But they don't have rights. They should tamper justice with mercy. They should be militant to Nigerian army. Now, if Nigeria have structure to probe, to find out, why can't they start from Operation Pattern Dance? How many years now? And you will take Nnamdi Kanu on to know what Simon Ekpa on will be. Because Simon Ekpa have gone far, more than Nnamdi Kanu. You will take Nnamdi Kanu know how Simon Ekpa on will be. Free and fair trial, you want to try Simon Ekpa who is not your citizen. And did not say anything in their citizen. Okay, look at it. I watched it in the net that Nigeria have dropped the charge against Simon Ekpa as a terrorist, but cyber incitement, social media incitement of evil, because they know they're looking a loophole to escape the trap. They said that they fall into that trap. They said the trap and fall into that trap. They're looking a way to escape. And this is because of Simon Ekpa case, Nnamdi Kanu case, make them to be asking ICC to leave Simon Nigerian army. Then you are capable, you have structure to look into it, to investigate. What of Okoma? Marching order. That one, was it Buhari did that one? This present administration give marching order. They went and started bombarding Okoma. Do you think that now was the time of Gowon? When there was no communication, when the world was like in Stone Age. Now, whatever to happen now, there's satellite, that's everywhere. People will see it. People will record it. People will send it. People will post it. You think that it was then? Okay, you have structure. What of 2nd of this December in Imo State, where Nigerian, Ekpa is one of them. Nnamdi Kanu, indigenous people of Biafra, agitators of Biafra. These are the only terrorists Nigeria know. Which means very soon they will crush them. Very soon they will end them up. Very soon they will disappear on the surface of the earth. Why can't they start from this one? To prove ICC that they are capable to do good things. To prove to the international community that they are capable to do anything. You have structure. Nigerian judiciary have structure. You have panel. You have this. You have that. The same court, if you have the structure and you have will to prosecute, to write judgment that international criminal court should not intervene, then why are you still holding Nnamdi Kanu? Why are you still holding Nnamdi Kanu? Even your own court, cleared him that he's not a terrorist and he did not jump bail. But you people are the ones that pursue him to kill him, therefore help to escape for his dear life. And they order you to release him, return him back to Kenya, and pay him compensation. Federal government of Nigeria, Attorney General, you were there. What do you say? The Attorney General of Nigeria, Lateef telling ICC international criminal court, begging them, urging them indirectly, saying, please, I beg, don't probe Nigerian army. Don't go near Nigerian army, because Nigeria have structure to probe any military personnel or armed forces or group in uniform, Nigerian uniform, that misbehave. And they are ready to end the terrorists. Now, who are the terrorists in Nigeria? Which group, which people that Nigeria government call terrorists?
Is Ekpa one of them?
Ekpa is one of them.
IPOB.
Nnamdi Kanu,
Yes.
indigenous people of Biafra, agitators of Biafra. These are the only terrorists Nigeria know. Which means very soon they will crush them. Very soon they will end them up. Very soon they will disappear on the surface of the earth. That's the only terrorists they know. Now you have
The president declared them terrorists.
but this present government still hold them as terrorists. If not so, this present government could not have petitioned Finland that Simon Ekpa is a terrorist. They could not have been holding Nnamdi Kanu hostage up to now. Now you have structure to probe Nigerian military. Then United Nations, ICC should not intervene in Nigerian army to look into their activities. But Finland and ICC have right to look into Simon Ekpa. They have right to detain him, to arrest him. But they don't have rights. They should tamper justice with mercy. They should be lenient to Nigerian army. Now, if Nigeria have structure to probe, to find out, why can't they start from Operation Pattern Dance? How many years now? If they have that structure to look into the activities of Nigerian army, unnecessary killing, why can't they start from Operation Pattern Dance? Why can't they start, Junction killing? Why can't they start in CKC Aba killing? Why can't they start in Head Bridge killing? Why can't they ask, why do people that hold the flag and the mouth, why should you kill them? They could start there. If Nigeria has a structure to probe the military or armed forces of Nigeria for unnecessary killings, they could have started from NSACs. NSACs. Okay, that one now, are they Biafrans? NSACs is not the other issue. You look at your own citizen, hold your own flag, you shoot them and take blood, stain your own flag. Then if Nigeria, according to the Attorney General, if Nigeria have the structure to do so and have will to do so, whether political will, whether ordinary will to do so, why can't they start from this one? To prove ICC that they are capable to do good things, to prove to the international community that they are capable to do anything. You have structure. Nigeria judiciary have structure. You have panel. You have this. You have that. The same court, if you have the structure and you have will to prosecute, to write judgment that international criminal court should not intervene, then why are you still holding Nnamdi Kanu? Why are you still holding Nnamdi Kanu? Even your own court, cleared him that he's not a terrorist and he did not jump bail. But you people are the one that pursue him to kill him, therefore help to escape for his dear life. And they order you to release him, return him back to Kenya, and pay him compensation. Federal government of Nigeria, Attorney General, you were there. What do you say? What do you say? The structure you have, the good structure you have to investigate is to set criminals free. I mean, not criminals, to send terrorist leaders free. Who are the real terrorists? You did not declare them terrorists. But for the sake of interest of justice, you set him free. Whom you saw his group carrying arms and the cattle, entering people from killing, you set him free for the interest of justice. Is it the structure you have? Shekigumi, negotiating for terrorists, kidnappers, bandits. That is a good structure you have. You set him free, moving around. Boko Haram, When you train them finish, your full soldier, jihadist machineries, full soldier of jihadists, full soldier of killers. When you train them finish, you say, you have pardoned Boko Haram. They are repentant to Boko Haram. You give them uniform officially, send them to Southeast, send them to Biafra land to go and massacre. That's the structure you have, AGF. That's the structure Nigeria have. So that international community will not intervene to question Nigerian army. Now, you are writing to get someone Ekpa because you feel you have structure to judge free and fair. Therefore, Finland should hand you over someone Ekpa without investigating what someone Ekpa have done before they will hand you over. Now, they are calling you, come and defend the petition or allegation you lay against someone Ekpa. You say no, you don't want to go. And they have structure to be free and fair. And you refuse to go. AGM, Latif, Fagbemi.
But we've seen the people like Peter Mba, you know, CDS Musa, you know, they've come out and said, give us Simon Ekpa. They want to extradite him at all costs. But do you think that deep down do you think that if he brought here to Nigeria, but we know it will be difficult, but do you know that, but if he brought here, do you think that it will be given a fair trial? Because as we go, what we can see from now, because do you think that it will be given a fair trial?
You will take Nnamdi Kanu on to know what Simon Ekpa on will be. Because Simon Ekpa have gone far more than Nnamdi Kanu. You will take Nnamdi Kanu know how Simon Ekpa on will be. Free and fair trial, you want to try Simon Ekpa who is not your citizen. I did not say anything in your citizen. Okay, look at it. I watched it in the net that Nigeria have dropped the charge against Simon Ekpa as a terrorist, but cyber incitement, social media incitement of evil, because they know they are looking a loophole to escape the trap. They said that they fall into that trap. They said the trap and fall into that trap. They're looking a way to escape. And this is because of Simon Ekpa case, Nnamdi Kanu case, make them to be asking ICC to leave someone, Nigerian army. Then you are capable, you have structure to look into it, to investigate. What of Okoma? Marching order. That one, was it Buhari did that one? This present administration give marching order. They went and start bombarding Okoma. Do you think that now was the time of Gowon? When there was no communication, when the world was like in Stone Age. Now, whatever to happen now, there's satellite, that's everywhere. People will see it. People will record it. People will send it. People will post it. You think that it was then? Okay, you have structure. What of 2nd of this December in Imo State, where Nigerian fighter went and bombed the whole community. They bombed to the extent they bombed primary school, they bombed hospital, they bombed church. Is that place military barrack? Is that place where Biafra have their military barrack? Agitators have their camp? Is there any ammo depot there in the church, in primary school, in a hospital? Is there any arms depot there that went to bomb? Or maybe the Easterners, as you are claiming that we are Nigeria, as you are claiming that the Easterners are Nigeria, or maybe they have turned to Hamas that dig tunnel under buildings, dig tunnel into under buildings, dig tunnel into under mosque and the hospitals, and the schools. Do they think that the Easterners, the Biafrans have turned to Hamas that dig tunnel? Or do they dig tunnel into that to schools and to hospitals and to churches? They went to bomb it. And AGF, Latif, Fagbemi know that Nigeria have structure. Why can't they probe that one? Why can't they go into that one? Why are they fearing that ICC should urge ICC to drop the investigation or the charges because they know that they cannot escape. Because they know the crime they are committing. They know the crime all of them are wearing uniform committing. When you hear Nigerian, you think that there are people you employ to save you. Okay, you buy machinery, you buy a war jet, you buy equipments to kill your own people whom you are claiming that they are your people, whom you want to rule, you want them to be under you, you are killing them. Instead of you to come down and negotiate with them and ask them what is their problem, you kept Nnamdi Kanu up to this hour. This is how they drop charges. When they say Nnamdi Kanu commit the crime in Britain. Okay, if Nnamdi Kanu commit the crime in Britain, return him to Britain to go and face the judgment there. Then the next court they are joined, they remove anything in Britain. And they file almost a total thing altogether. This is how they do to someone Ekpa now. They say cyber incitement. See, they know that they cannot approve that someone Ekpa is a terrorist. If AGF know that are sure that Nigeria is clean, that Nigeria is fair, that Nigeria don't have skeleton, let them go to allow ICC to do their work. He said that ICC is a last hope of common countries. Yes, ICC is a last hope of common country, like Biafra. Like Biafra, this is why they went to ICC, to come and tell ICC the reason you are killing Biafrans. The reason you say Biafra will not exist. The reason you call Biafrans a terrorist. Go and explain yourself.
But do you not think they have fact? If they actually want to press on with the case, do you not think that they have fact against Ekpa and against IPOB?
Let them go ahead. If they know that they have fact, are they not begging to get someone Ekpa? Now, go and send your fact. Peter Mba and co that are making mouth, that's empty boasting. That's what I'm telling you. That's empty boasting. Peter Mba is a lawyer. How many cases have you won? How many people have you defended in court? How many people have you defended in court? How many cases have you won? Lawyer without a chamber.
Is he look as a governor for now?
Lawyer without, unless he, he become lawyer now, governor now.
When he did governorship position, he started officially as a lawyer.
As a lawyer without chamber, how many cases have won? How many people have you defended?
But he said he really have that. He really have proof. I have proof.
To do what?
To need someone Ekpa. They no good government.
Then let him follow to ICC. If you have proof, let him go to ICC. Let him go to Finland. Let him go. How many times will I say it? If Peter Mba or whosoever know that they have proof, let them go to Finland. Finland is calling them now, begging them now to come. Both east, west, north, south, Finland is begging them, come and prove yourself so that we will know how to handle someone Ekpa. They refuse to go. Now they are begging, urging ICC to drop, to mellow down on Nigerian army. Is Nigerian army their hand correct? Eh? They will end up like a Chastello. They will end up like Chastello. Okay, let's put Biafra aside. If Nigeria have the structure to probe, let them probe and sacks. Those not the body, who killed them? Shooting, who shoot? Let's start that. Okay, you say IPOB, indigenous people of Biafra, the Igbos, they are terrorists, they are criminals. Nnamdi Kanu is leading them. Someone Ekpa is leading them. Let us put that one aside. What of NSACs? What of the recent killing on and bad governance? Let them probe that one. They will know that Nigeria have a structure. Let them investigate that one. Know that Nigeria have a structure. ICC, I'm begging you in the name of God Almighty, who created heaven and earth, whatever you know, you will know to do it, so that this act of killing will stop in this part of the world. It's too much.
Lovers of freedom, Pastor Van here. Hey, I want to tell you all that some fools have decided to use all the resources they have to play too odd on Niger bets, or you call it Bet Niger. They have played two odds, and they tell them it's a sure odd. Sure. This one is sure odd. Simon Ekpa will be repatriated to Nigeria. Sure odd. They don't play him. It don't cast. It don't cast. It don't cast. Oh, it don't cast. Okay, now I am so excited with what is happening. Believe you me, the best times of Biafra has been happening since the kidnap of Nnamdi Kanu. Since Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped to that zoological republic, the doors have been opening for Biafra in diverse places. Simon Ekpa was a one Nigerianist until 2019, when he grabbed the mantle that was passed over to him and was told, go and do it, you can. Yes, you can. He grabbed it and he said, never again will Biafra suffer. Never again, not under my watch. And as we speak right now, the tides and the tables are changing. Bet Niger, bet Niger. Too odd. Short game. And then their general have gone, don't you see the way they rush? First of all, the way they rush with Nnamdi Kanu on. And they say, hey, we caught him wearing Fendi in a private jet and all that. After they're happy, everything. Now they are looking for how they will escape from it. And they are running up and down now. A general, Fulani general for that matter, come. And then he say, hey, Simon Ekpa, we are looking for how to extradite him to Nigeria. Extradite him to Nigeria. You think Finland is like Kenya? Even Kenya self. What we did in Kenya was from the back door criminally extradite, because Kenya had a criminal president, Kenyatta. So that's why we were able to use back door. But in Finland, there's nothing like back door. I have been to Finland and I'm getting ready for the next one. And as I go, Finland have a very powerful airport in Helsinki. How go do where you go pass? From back door. To carry a Finnish citizen extradite to zoological republic of a terrorist country. You don't cast. It don't cast. Every one of you that played that too sure odds on Bet Niger for Simon Ekpa extradition to Nigeria. It don't cast. It don't cast. We are sure going to land in Finland for the redeclaration of Biafra, 2nd of December. It is sacrosanct. Believe you me. And now there's a video I'm going to bring to you. One Nigerianist. This one is too sweet because he's not a Biafran supporter. He's not a Simon Ekpa man. He is a one Nigerianist, and he's telling you the way it is in Finland. Now watch the video, share it, and make sure those that play the too sure odds of Bet Niger and Niger Bet, make sure they watch this video. My name is Safet Abaka Jere, aka Pastor Fam. Oh yeah, watch.
My amazing people, out on day now, there's a Prince of Bakassi, live from Helsinki. It's really snowing here, so you can see me smoking cold. Anyway, yeah, I just had to make this video, as regard to, our brother Samuel Ekpa. Yeah, I heard he has been detained. Yeah, he has been detained. They don't detain the guy. Unlike most of the tabloids out there where they read and they say the guy has been in prison. Over here, they're not the imprisoned person anyhow like that. Everything follows due process. In Finland, everything with the due follow due process. Right now, the guy did pre-trial detention. And for pre-trial detention, you cannot be detained for more than 3 days. Then we also get the second phase, which is a court order detention. They will not even reach that stage self. Because in that case now, they will bring in lawyer, they will sit, and that takes a very long time. But they'll carry you go to the third stage, which is, where you'll be, detained, like, taken into prison, that kind of stuff. But right now it's pre-trial. The guy hasn't been arrested. So those kind of matters, you don't have to just read anywhere. You have to hear from people with the Finland. Now we know how the law is run here. You know, over here, the law is supreme. You know, rule of law abides. You know, what I mean by that is that maybe by now the guy they house already, because we only got the report after some few days. You know, they said this week, you know, the guy must have been released because it's more than 3 days, and it was pre-trial, meaning that they will just sit them down, police will just talk to them, say, tell us what happened, they will write them down. Then from this face sound, they will carry and go to the next one. You know, where the guy will bring his own lawyer and all those kind of things. They will try to see how they will talk the matter, all this kind of thing, you know, and it's going to take a long time. Then as per this matter of extradition, extraditing the guy to Nigeria, I don't see the thing happening for Finland here. You see, Finland is a country where they fight for their rights. They have been oppressed, you know, by other nations, and, you know, so anybody will come here and say, okay, see you, my people, I'm fighting for my right to, I've been oppressed, I've been deprived of, you know, justice and all this kind of stuff. Finland protects. That is why the matter of Samuel Ekpa has been dragging for so long. Maybe today when Nigerian government writes, Finnish government, but they've been dragging the matter because we have to give us a reason why. And Nigeria being a country that it is right now where things not balanced, you know what I mean? Finland, they take them very serious. They're not just release person sent to a place where I'm being a citizen, Finnish citizen, to a place where they know say the guy they will torture the guy, maltreat the guy, you know, buy the guy, that kind of stuff. So, you know, all the same is a wake-up call to Nigeria government, Tinubu government. You see, the reason why we're there, not because we really like to come there for this code or this, but because of the state of the country. We need change. It's time for Nigeria to wake up. By now, suppose to compete with Dubai. We are blessed, the giants of Africa. I'm saying all this because I love my country, Nigeria. You know, we have all the natural resources, we have everything that it takes. There be something why some fuel lights will just siphon all the money of the country, carry and go to the dump for foreign bank, just take up themselves and their family. But as the Nigerian people are suffering, Finland are the wrong place. Over here, there is justice, fair play for everyone, equity. In a country where they deprive the less privileged, the most vulnerable are being given protection, attention. We go school here for free. Healthcare, if you don't get money paid, just go any hospital that will treat you. This is why they talk now, serious thing. You know, they work, government go see fine way, give you small house. They give you money, make you take care of yourself. Yeah, they take money from the rich, carry them, invest into anybody who don't get money, for the poor, the people who the drug addict, the alcoholics. For that country where they so, where justice, the law is supreme. It doesn't matter your political affiliations, your position for government. Once you break the law, they go penalize you. So that the wrong place for Nigeria to carry come won't just they play anyhow. Wrong country. Over here, justice reign. It's wake-up call for Nigeria to start fighting corruption, nepotism, ethnicity. We need to start fighting all those things, insecurity for the country. Start providing Nigerians with basic amenities where they deserve. All this jackparization with the jackpars, not because you like them. Provide job for the young people then. Make education free. Health care for our women and children. Make it be free. We have all the resources. We have everything that it takes to make this country great. Supposed to compete with Singapore, Malaysia, you know, all those countries. Dubai, where people just go anyhow, go to flex. We have everything that it takes to make this country great. We have the people, we have the brains. Wasting in the diaspora. Some might not be that extradited to Nigeria because before they do that kind of thing, they go way first.
I want you to understand, it is only in Biafra land that people are not running away from their ancestral land in the entire Nigeria. In Yoruba land, people are fleeing the ancestral land. In the northeast, northwest, middle belt, people are fleeing from the ancestral land. It is only in Biafra land, and the government of Biafra made it possible. But you know what? They would like you to believe that Samuel Ekpa is the cause of insecurity. No, I am the solution, and the only way they can get to you is by kicking me out of the way, which is not possible. I have come. After I'm done with Nigeria, Biafra will be free and enjoy freedom. Biafra will know the importance of freedom and what I'm doing today in 5 years to come. Thank you.